Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself struggling with dry, damaged hair that's been through a lot of styling, coloring, or heat treatments? I've been there. Today, we're taking a closer look at L'Oreal Paris EverPure Bond Repair Oil-in-Serum. This little powerhouse promises to strengthen, smooth, and protect damaged hair, just what we need for healthier, shinier locks. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. L'Oreal Paris EverPure Bond Repair Oil-in-Serum is designed to transform damaged, color-treated hair into something shiny and resilient. Packed with a blend of heat protectants and reparative ingredients, this serum targets weak bonds in the hair structure, leaving it 7 times stronger after just one use. The formula features citric acid to protect from heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for those who frequently style their hair with heat tools. It also helps reduce frizz and adds a healthy-looking shine. What stands out about this product is its dual-action formula. It's both a heat protectant and a leave-in treatment. It combines the benefits of a lightweight oil and a serum, which means it doesn't weigh down your hair while still delivering a dose of moisture. As for the scent, it has a citrusy, floral fragrance with notes of mandarin, rose, and amber. It's fresh, flirty, and not overpowering, making it pleasant for those sensitive to strong fragrances. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real life. I applied it on damp hair after using my regular shampoo and conditioner. The texture is light and absorbs quickly, without leaving any greasy residue. My hair felt immediately smoother, and I could feel the moisture sealing in. When I styled it, I noticed a visible reduction in frizz, and my hair looked shinier, almost as if it had been freshly colored, even though it wasn't. It also didn't weigh my fine hair down, which is often a concern when it comes to oils and serums. As for usage on dry hair, it works just as well. I applied a small amount to my ends, and it helped tame flyaways, giving my hair a polished finish. Whether you use it before styling or as a finishing touch, it's incredibly versatile. The heat protection is a definite plus, especially if you're someone who regularly uses straighteners or curling irons. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, it does exactly what it says: strengthens hair, adds shine, and controls frizz. It's light enough for daily use, and the scent is a pleasant bonus. Plus, it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, something I always look for in products I use regularly. On the downside, if you have extremely fine hair like me, you might need to be cautious with the amount you apply to avoid overloading your strands. In terms of value for money, this product strikes a balance. At 1.6 phthalates, it's not the biggest bottle, but considering how little you need to use for each application, it should last a reasonable amount of time. It's definitely on the pricier side for a drugstore product, but for the quality and performance, I think it's worth the investment if you're struggling with dry, damaged hair. When it comes to comparing it to similar products on the market, there are other heat protectant oils and serums, but this one stands out due to its bond repair technology. Many alternatives don't offer the same level of strengthening while providing heat protection, making this product somewhat unique in its category. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The pump dispensers, you don't waste any product, which is a big plus. The oil itself feels nourishing, but doesn't leave an oily residue on your hands after application. Before we dive into the final verdict, if this review is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It really helps us out and ensures that more beauty lovers like you can find honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get your hands on this product, the link is in the comments. Now onto the final verdict. L'Oreal Paris EverPure Bond Repair Oil-in-Serum is a solid choice for those with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. It delivers on its promises, strengthening hair, providing heat protection, and leaving hair looking shiny and healthy. It's great for anyone who frequently styles their hair or uses heat tools. If you're on a budget, there are similar products, but this one offers a great blend of performance and quality for the price. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work for you, or do you have a different holy grail product for damaged hair? Stay beautiful inside and out.